Your shower looking a little bit worse for wear? Then this is a video for you. Now don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. In a previous video, we did a review of the Tile and Grout. Now we use this with the Kirby mop system, and we've used it to mop the floor in the bathrooms and also to mop the floor in the laundry, and we've seen it is a great product. For those of you who didn't see that, I'll put a video link to that video at the end of this one. Today, what we're going to be doing is checking out whether this Tile and Grout is not just for the Kirby system. You're going to use it in probably one of the worst places, and that is the shower. So over time, your shower may build up with mold, mildew. There's plenty of products out there, and I'm not denying that. But what I want to do is find out whether this Kirby Tile and Grout cleaner can get the mold and mildew out of that grout and get it looking brand spanking new. So let's dive in and have a look and see what we're dealing with. Well, so hopefully this is coming through okay. It might be a little bit echoey because I'm in the main bathroom. But you can see these tiles have been cleaned, and we did use a Tile and Grout cleaner that you get off the market. You can see it's still dirty and grimy. We have got a little bit of mold in here as well. So you can see we've got a little bit of mold there and mildew on the silicone. A little bit of dust coloration in the Tile and Grout there as well. I've got a stain as well. That stain won't come off. So we're going to see if the Kirby Tile and Grout cleaner can remove that soap stain as well. Again, there's more mold and mildew up the corner that the other product wouldn't remove. So we're just going to have a quick look at the Ensuite and see the state of that. So it's the Ensuite. So you can see we've got a few soap stains there on the tile. For some reason they won't come off either. You'll see we've got mold and mildew. So we've got sort of pink mold and pink stains there, and then some brown mold that won't come off. And then we've got some mold and mildew there. Now you can see the original tile colour in the middle. So that's the Grout line there that I have tried to clean, and I've scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed that with bleach. So bleach will work, but bleach is a bit toxic, and that's why I like the Kirby solution, because it's not really toxic. And then as we're coming down the edge, obviously where the Grout meets, you can see we've still got a lot of dirt and grime in there, just mainly dirt and grime. And then even on the aluminium, we've got some soap scum that won't wash off. So we're going to try and get that with that Kirby solution. And then you can see on the main tiles, we've got a little bit of pink. I'm assuming it's soap scum, because we do use like a pink soap, but that seems to stain the Grout as well. So we'll see how good this Kirby solution is and see whether we can get it all off. Well, let's look at the Tile and Grout. That Tile and Grout is around 7 years old now, so it is getting a little bit old, but we should be able to get it back to new condition with the Kirby Tile and Grout. And all we're going to use today is this Kirby Tile and Grout, and then we're going to be using a reasonable size scrubbing brush. So we're going to jump in via time lapse, get these showers clean, and we'll jump in, have a look at the end results, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the Kirby Tile and Grout cleaner. Right, so this is the Ensuite now, so you can see all the tiles have come spotless. There's no pink soap or pink mould there. As we look at the base, we've got a few damp patches. That's where it's dark. And you can see all the scum and grime has actually gone from that tile Grout. It's all coming up the original colour it was 7 years ago. Got a little bit of dust on the tile there, that's why I just tried to with my sock. That Grout is looking good as new. And then we've got the main bathroom. So all the tiles are looking sweet as. This one wasn't too bad. Grout is starting to dry. We've got a few dark patches where it's still wet, but you can see it's coming up to the original colour it was 7 years ago. And that Grout is coming up as new, and even the silicone has come up spotless. All right, and as in the video, I did clean the glass. So the glass has come up pretty clean. It does get rid of the soap scum. So that's a fantastic job with that Kirby Tile and Grout cleaner. Not only does it clean tiles, it cleans Grout and glass. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those household products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed that quick demonstration and use of the Kirby Tile and Grout cleaner in the shower. Did it work? If you've just watched it, then you'll see that it does an amazing job. It actually cleans glass as well. So it's brilliant on removing those soap scum and bringing up that Tile and Grout back to the original colour that it was over 7 years ago. So it's not just for those Tile and Grout floors, it works superb in those showers and will get rid of all that mould and mildew, a treat, and bring that Tile and Grout looking like new. Now, for those of you looking to service your Kirby, check out this video next. And for those of you looking to service your vintage Kirby, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you in the next one.